You know, the big question if you're selling your house is how much is it going to cost me to sell my house? Well, it's quite easy. Once we have a listing agreement and we've decided to sell your house, then what I'll do is I'll talk to the local escrow company and I'll get you a seller's net sheet. I'm going to walk you through it here real quick. So what this net sheet does is it's going to break down all of our numbers from the sale price of the home to any existing loans, any mechanics liens on the property, any expenses that we're going to have are going to be on our seller net sheet. So now in this case, we are selling this house for $1,255,000. So that's our credit. That's our sale price of the house. Everything else on this line on the left line is going to be debits. So what are we paying for when we're selling a house? Because it does cost money to sell a home. Well, we have some county taxes. These are back taxes, you know, just from the beginning of the year until the time that we're selling the home. County transfer taxes. They're not, I mean, when we're talking about $1,255,000, these are kind of nickel and dimes, but they do add up. So we're looking at a county transfer tax, $1,300. Commission, of course, look at that, Keller Williams Realty. We double-ended this. So a Keller agent was representing the seller and one representing the buyer. So there's your commission right there, about $62,000. That's coming off of your credit. We also have title insurance. We have recording fees. We're going to, we have a credit here for a 10% discount. This person was a teacher, so they're getting a 10% discount credited to them for their escrow fees through Opus Escrow here in Arroyo Grande. So we have some other fees. We have a documentation fees, overnight fees, statement to closing fees, wire fees. They nickel and dime. Then we're, of course, well, not of course, but most likely we're going to be purchasing a home warranty for the buyer. In this case, that was $800. And then we have a natural hazard disclosure that was $99. So we have our sale price, several debits, subtotals, and then here's our net bottom line due to the seller, $1,184,820.22. That's out of your $1,225,255. So this is a very important and key tool for sellers for a number of reasons. One, either, you know, if you're cashing out and you're just gonna, you know, you're done being a homeowner and you're gonna retire, well, you're gonna wanna know how much you have. If you're gonna turn around and do an exchange and maybe trade up into a bigger home, then you wanna know how much you're going to net off of this home so you know what you can afford on that bigger home and how much of a loan you have. And the last thing with the seller net sheet is it also can work if you're doing a contingent purchase, meaning I'm selling this home and I'm going to buy my next home in wherever I'm going. This is good proof to the people and to the realtor that are selling the house that I'm going to buy. This is like proof of funds. This is almost like a bank account. I'm going to buy your $1 million house, and look, when I close on this house, I have well over $1 million coming to me, so I can buy your house. If you have any questions you ever want to know about net sheets, about selling your home, the value of your home, I'm here to help. I'm Bruce Carson Realtor, Keller Williams Realty, Central Coast, 805-458-4144.